This one is for you. If you're just like, you guys are just not selling me this tape-in, I'm a naturalist, I just don't know about it, let me tell you this. This one is for you. If you're just like, you guys are just not selling me this tape-in, I'm a naturalist, I just don't know about it, or for my ride or die, you know, girls that love some Chanel me up, and you guys are looking for my opinion on these tape-ins type of vibe, let me tell you this. All right, there's pros and cons to it, but I will say that I am loving it as of the moment. Y-Wigs came through with this baddie right here. I'm saying like baddie as if it's a wig. It's literally tape-ins. I think I had got 5 packs of these, which is actually great. So that means that I'm not sure on how like the adhesive lasts once when I, you know, take them off. So that's great that I can just reapply it again, because I do love the hair quality. The hair quality on this is just A1, you guys. Now let me tell you, this hair kind of like low-key been through it. I dyed this hair when it first came out the package. I dyed it like a natural black. Like your girl gets a body wave and it gets really straight as well, which is great. And I love the fact that it's versatile, so if I need to do something else with my hair and I have these tape-ins on, it's perfect for that. No shedding at all. Like, I'm pretty sure this adhesive that they got on is pretty good stuff, because sis, it holds on even on my thick hair. Okay, yeah, your girl got some inches. Okay, and I love that for me. And it landed literally like on the top of my bum. I was just really strategic about where I would like to apply the actual tape-ins. I didn't want the tape-ins really in the front. I love that natural look. I wanted to more so look like, I was just aiming for more that little like extra length type of thing. My hair is already full and thick, so if you are actually going for using these tape-ins for more so like fullness, you may have to use more than 2 packs. There goes that. But as far as straightening my hair, manipulating my hair, does my hair fall out with it and all that jazz, I need to go ahead and give you guys like a full, like I would say like a few weeks at least in the review, because as of right now it's too early for me to say like it does not make my hair thin or fall out or what have you. But I will say this, I will not be doing too much manipulation with these on my hair, just as if I would not do a lot of manipulation on my hair on a regular day basis anyways. I do low manipulation to my hair. That's exactly how I make sure I retain my length or retain my thickness and the health of my hair. So there will not be a lot of heat. There will not be a lot of, you know, different hairstyle. I will be just rocking this plain Jane. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, it's already getting oily as it is, because I do kind of oil my scalp, because I have dry scalp, so I kind of oil it with a little bit of tea tree, and that explains why it's giving a little stringy, and I'm okay with it. I am not getting into the shower with this and washing this. I am not going to blow dry this with my hair, with this on my hair. I am not going to straighten this and my hair at the same time. I'm not doing all that, because all of that will cause me to tug on the tape, which is attached to my hair, which is attached to my scalp, which may mean that I will get some fallout from that tension that I keep putting onto the tape. So low manipulation is definitely the way to go with tape-ins, and without tape-ins anyways for me, but especially with the tape-in. So that's my aim there. I don't know what's the finished result with that. Even with low manipulation, does that work for me? Am I getting less fallout or normal fallout with the tape-ins? I'll give you guys a verdict within a few weeks. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. But on a flip side, like, your girl is loving how this looks. Like, I curled just the actual tape-ins. I tried to move my hair aside. My hair is just about here. I don't really care about it blending in or not. I really don't care. I know that in certain ways, certain angles, you will definitely tell like I got some extensions, and you know what, I don't care. I'm not here to make sure that it looks exactly like my hair, but in certain angles, if I blend it in with real quick, it's going to look really nice. And you know, on an everyday basis, even if you do a little clip up, which I can, a little pony, you know, which I can, nobody's really going to know. Wow, she's really cute. You know, the baby hairs are just nice and soft. I just pull them out. None of that crazy stuff that I do usually. And I'm loving it. I really am loving it. She's a little oily, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm here for it, you guys. Let me know on what you guys think about her and all that jazz. I say she's a go, y'all. I say it's a go. I'm talking as if it's a wig. But literally, I say the tape-ins are a go. I just say use responsibly. Definitely, definitely. I don't want anybody running back here in the comments saying, Chanel, you got my hair falling out. Okay, you guys literally use this responsibly. Seek professional help when applying if you don't know how to apply the tape-ins, and when it's time to take down the tape-in, most importantly, for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, Y-Wigs, you did amazing with this one right here. Say she is a go. You can clip her up. This is such a cute vibe. This is how I've been rocking her, literally just clipping her up and like this. Yeah, just literally so cute. So cute. And you can do like a ponytail and all that jazz. I am here for her, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about her. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Y-Wigs, you did amazing on these tape-ins again. And yeah, I hope you go ahead and pick her up, and I would love to see you guys in y'all beautiful tape-ins. Okay, later.